Hello student, today is our topic is classification of data in the form of individual series, discrete series, continuous series and cumulative frequency series. To understand the above series, now we take the data of class 11th student obtained following marks in economics. For example, 16, 16, 15, 16, 15, 15, 17, 15, 18, 18, 19, 18, 18, 20, 20, 21, 20, 23, 22, 22, 23, 22, 24, 25, 24, 25, 25, 25, 25 and 25. Now we explain the individual series. In individual series is the arrangement of raw data individually. It gives a numeric value for a specific situation. In an individual series, items are shown singly, for example, 15 4 times 15s, 3 times 16s, 1 times 17s and 4 times 18s, 19 and 3 times 20s and 21 and 4 times 22, 23 and 3 times 24 and 5 times 25. This is arrangement of data singly is called individual series. Now we explain the discrete series. Discrete series mean where frequencies of a variable are given but the variable is without class interval. For example, marks of 15 is 4 student, marks of 16 is 3 student, marks of 17 is 1 student and marks of 18 is 4 student, marks of 19 is 1 student and marks of 20 is 3 student, marks of 21 is 1 student and marks of 22 is 4 student, marks of 23 is 1 student, marks of 24 is 3 student, marks of 25 is 5 student. This is called tally-var and this is called frequencies. The summation of frequencies is equal to 30 means the total student in class 11th is 13. Now we explain the continuous series. Continuous series means where frequencies are given along with the value of the variable in the form of class interval. For example, 12 से 15 मार्क्स में कितने स्टूडेंट आते हैं 4, 16 से 19 मार्क्स में कितने स्टूडेंट आते हैं 9 एंड 20 से 23 मार्क्स में कितने स्टूडेंट आते हैं एंड 24 से 27 में कितने स्टूडेंट आते हैं. This is called class interval. The data with class, this is called frequencies. The summation of frequency is equal to 30 indicate the total student in class 11th is 13. The data with class interval is called continuous series. The data with class interval is called continuous series. Now we explain the data in cumulative frequency series. In cumulative frequency series is that series in which frequencies are continuously added corresponding to each class interval in the series. The frequencies then become cumulative frequencies. For example, marks less than 15. This is a upper limit of the class interval. For example, 15, 19, 23 and 27. Marks less than 15 is equal to 0. Marks less than 19 is equal to 9 plus 4. For example, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Marks less than 23, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Marks less than 27, 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. marks more than 12. This is called the lower limit of the class interval. For example, marks more than 12, more than 16, more than 20 and more than 24. Marks more than 12 is equal to 13. Marks more than 16 is equal to 30 minus 4 is equal to 26. Marks more than 20 is equal to 26 minus 9 is equal to 17. Marks more than 24 is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. This is called cumulative frequency series. I hope the classification of data regarding individual series, discrete series, continuous series and cumulative frequency series is clear. Thanks all of you.